Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgane F and you're watching Morgane Eats, where I talk all about what I'm eating, which is always going to be plant-based eating. And today I am cooking three things, or I guess preparing three things with beets. You guys love beets? If so, give me a like on this video and let's just get right into it. These three recipes are waiting for you. Make sure you subscribe for all the fun. And I just like juggling these bad boys. This is so much fun. I can't do that though. That would be incredible though. All right, let's get into the videos. Let's get into the three recipes. Here are the ingredients to make my freshly pressed beet juice. This recipe is pretty lazy and simple. If you've ever made juice before, you know you're just throwing everything into the juicer and letting the juice do its job. So no real order or rhyme or reason here. Just incorporating all my fruits and veggies and beets into my juicer. Before I make the salad, I'm going to make the vinaigrette. So here are the ingredients for the vinaigrette. I'm starting off with the juice of an orange, and I'm squeezing that into a cute little glass container, which, as you can see, is some used to be olive container. Second half of the orange is being juiced, and my handy dandy juicer, which had a little attitude and splashed back at me, but that's okay. Let it get cute. Let it get cute if it wants to. Next up, Dijon mustard, about a half a tablespoon, and I realized that it was not coming out, so I had to go get a knife, a butter knife, and just, you know, if it comes to the end of the road, you still can use it. So we're going to continue to add in that amount. And don't mind my husband in the background grabbing me balsamic vinegar, which is what we'll be adding next. Alright, here goes the balsamic vinegar. And I was actually a little light-handed with that, so you'll see me add a little bit more a little later. Olive oil. And of course, salt and pepper. Give that a good shake. But wait a minute, girl. You missing the agave. And then while I was at it, I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and add a little extra balsamic. And give it another good shake. Okay, here comes the salad portion. I am chopping up my kale into small bite-sized pieces so it'll be easy to chew and digest. And I'm going to do another step to make it even easier to chew and digest, which is going to be to add some olive oil and massage my kale in this olive oil. And of course, this is already cleaned off and towel dried, so you know you're not seeing that portion. Now that those are nice and massaged, it should be a lot more easy to eat. Alright, now that the beets are all chopped up, I'm going to go ahead and assemble my salad. Those were the ingredients for the salad. So we have our quinoa that's already been cooked. in the ends of the pot, as well as our kale. So I'm just going to give that a light toss before I add in the beets. Here come both the red and golden beets. And then this is pretty much done. All we have to do is add that vinaigrette after a few tosses. Alright, vinaigrette time. And totally can use that vinaigrette for other salads if you're choosing, and adjust it to your taste, you know, per your liking. These are the ingredients for my beet lasagna. And I've already made the cashew cream and the pesto, so that is just assembly time now, essentially. Is just assembly time. So this is pretty much like you would do lasagna. And this could totally be eaten room temperature. It doesn't need to be like, it could be eaten cold or it could be eaten hot. So I'm just red on the bottom, a layer of cashew cream, golden in the middle, and then another layer. And I'm just continuing to do that until everything is done. Here comes the pesto. You could totally do store-bought pesto. I'm just gonna give you a little food porn again with this pesto because it looks so good and so creamy. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you comment your favorite recipe and subscribe for more content just like this. See you in my next video. Bye.